Hi there, welcome. I'm Dianne Hanks with Makeover Sessions. I am so excited. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the holiday, whatever. But one of my sweet subscribers really wants me to try a hood dryer thing. So he's going to send me one. Isn't that wonderful? So in the meantime, I still don't have the courage to go in public with my curlers on. I just can't quite do it. But this is pretty much incredible, right? I did roll this a new way. I didn't put hairspray on it, but it's been in my hair for a little bit. I wanted to show you what I did that's different. And also, I hope that it inspires you that once you do get some curlers or some hot rollers, whatever that you think you want to experiment with, it's not one way only. Keep on trying new things until you get what you want. I've used my big roller. Let me just show you what I did here. Now I know that with these longer curlers, I have had difficulty removing them. So let's cross our fingers and hopefully that the fact that I didn't spray it with hairspray, that I won't actually injure myself trying to unroll these. But I love being a woman. I know that some of the comments I have received from men were like, you're so lucky that you get to experiment, and I do feel that. I love being a woman. So thank you for your support. Thank you for your comments, and thank you for your generosity of spirit. And it may seem like such a little thing to, just embrace the part of being feminine. But ladies, if you're listening and you are not feminine and you don't want to be feminine or you don't know how to be feminine, I hope that, little things that we say can inspire you, because I just would hate to have you deny yourself of some of the most incredible, I don't know if I would call them even blessings, but I think that there's a reason why we're made male and female, and the more men that I meet that just love how feminine I am and how womanly I am, I've always been this way, so I don't really know any other way. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, and hopefully I won't get hurt. I've had a pretty amazing week with the holidays and everything else going on. I've been to a funeral, I've been to a wedding, had Christmas, getting ready for New Year's, and my heart is just softened, it's full, and oh, I can see some extra curls. I think that these longer ones are just too small for my hair because they seem to just get stuck. Grr. That was a little bit easier because I just pull this out of the way so that other ones don't get stuck. That's a little bit different, isn't it? I'll move to this side. I got an invitation today to go see Jeff Goldblum play jazz, and I chose to stay home instead. I went down one time to see him play, and it was so fun how joyful he was at playing jazz. He was playing with the Mitzi something band, and I thought, oh my gosh, there's Jeff Goldblum playing jazz. How fun is that? We didn't stay for very long. There was just so many people there. I'm suffering from curlerus stickus. Grr, I don't like that when I get stuck. I already got one more after this one. I can tell already that this is different. It's a little bit more. I did these vertically too for the more spirally effect. And now I have all the ones that are larger, probably just for body. So here we go. My goodness. La 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 la. Oh my goodness. I could do a commercial for Breck shampoo. Holy moly, that is a totally different look. I don't know what it looks like from behind. Let me show you. Is that fun? Well, there you have it. A little bit of experimenting. Slightly smaller rollers, but the big ones on the top for some body. And voila! I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. And that didn't hurt too bad. Only one or two of them got stuck. Thanks for joining me, and do let me know when you experiment with your things. Okay, please let me know. I love feedback. I mean, that's one of the greatest things about the 21st century and this method of communicating. We get to pick, we get to participate. I get to take requests from you and really, reach out and touch. How awesome is that? So please be a participator. Please be a participator. If you don't have your own offering yet on YouTube, please listen to what's in your heart and what you're passionate about. And I would love to be a mentor for you if you would like that. So let me know, and happy hair curling. Thank you. I'm Dianne Hanks.